Ooh.
Hi.
Hello.
Ew.
Why is it blurry? Okay,
It's not
stopped.
blurry.
It was.
We're eating ramen.
Sadly.
With eggs.
And
Ew.
this
That looks nasty.
chili lime shrimp habanero. What kind you got,
I
Hunter?
got beef.
Things are look dry.
Show the
Mine looks
camera.
amazing.
Why don't you like juice in yours? Ew.
What kind you got, Riley?
Well,
Why do we keep them blurry? Oh, it's because we're
it looks
moving too much. That's
amazing.
why.
Do you see this?
Shrimp.
Shrimp.
Ugh.
This stuff's gonna be hot.
Mine's-
I tasted a little bit. It doesn't seem too bad.
It's not too bad.
I'm on the edge of the camera.
Stick your head there. so
Slide
we can
in.
see
Look
you
at me.
eat.
My feet are like
I'm taking up the whole damn thing.
badass.
I am that. Sorry.
I hate this. So what should we talk about?
About this lime flavor sticky noodles. Get your head in there and eat.
It's actually not
It's
too
hot.
bad.
It's not too bad.
It's not bad.
Maybe if we didn't cook it as long, it'd be a little bit better.
It's got mush. What is
It might.
Ew.
Yeah.
Wait, Mom.
Oh wait.
I got my shrimp.
Mom, who do I remind you of?
Oh, that the Asian chick that we saw today.
Uh,
I don't know what her name was,
That
but
stuff's really
she made me want
sticky.
ramen tonight.
What is this called? A mukbang? Mukbang? Mukbang.
no, it's a mukbang, I think.
Mukbang?
I
How do you
think.
say this?
Mukbang.
Mukbang.
No, it's mukbang.
Mukbang.
Tomato, tomato.
Potato.
Mukbang,
potato.
mukbang. Juicy neck. Get in. Show me you eating some noodles, son.
These
Get in
are
there.
like nasty.
Don't claim relation to
You
each
want
other.
some of this one?
No.
We are not related.
We're not really. We're total strangers.
Mm-hmm.
Just we were homeless and we stuck into a house.
We met in Walmart. You know. We were all getting ramen at the same time and said, "Oh, let's do a mukbang." Mukbang, mukbang.
Are you supposed to eat it gross?
Huh?
Right? You slurp? You supposed to eat it gross?
You can, yeah. I don't know how the good speaker is on the phone though. So this would be a good trial run. And we can learn. Hello! Hello, hello, hello! Welcome to my channel.
Would you like a 5 lock of hair? For your birthday? I'll send it via text.
We got swag.
Oh, that
We-
can't post this thing.
we got shrimp swag.
Shrimp
It's
swag.
not going on the book, it's going on the tube.
The tube?
Yeah.
What's the tube?
The YouTube.
You got up
Tube
to
of you?
20 minutes and 49 seconds.
That's plenty, because I'm almost done.
And then I can erase this when we're done.
I'm
So what's up
really
with you,
sorry.
Riley? How's school going?
I don't know, I'm being quiet.
She's playing the saxophone now.
And she can play Baby Shark do 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 do
Baby shark,
do 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 do, baby shark, do 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 do, baby shark.
Mommy Shark do.
No, you know what Hunter does? Tell him, Hunter.
What do I
He
do?
flosses.
This is the sound.
Of silence?
Now do it.
No.
How you do it? Come on.
Nah.
Stop.
This is a sound.
Silence.
He playing
You
bad
put me on the
now.
spot.
Well, you put yourself on the spot when you decide to do a mukbang.
You said he played banjo?
That's mukbang.
No, he plays the clarinet.
What did you say? He plays. Oh, I think you said he plays banjo now.
What?
Playing bashful now.
Oh, bashful banjo.
That does not sound the same.
I,
You want to try hard?
No.
I like this.
It's like,
This
You
is
don't like
good.
your noodles? You want some more water in it?
no. It's just like,
Boy, eat your ramen.
Eat it.
I worked
Yes.
hard for this.
Don't you break something?
it was like 5 minutes of work. I'm not even in the
Hi.
full video.
I don't know. Where's the camera lens? Oh, there.
Ooh, let's think of a store. My hair.
Yes. Why he's not liking his ramen?
Because it's pasty.
Mine is pasty too. It's
That's
gummy.
mine.
I don't like it.
Let's talk about how
I
I
like
got done.
Nice,
Not
firm
done.
noodles. I can do it.
Pig.
Boy, bye.
What?
I was eating
Waffle
like the
noodles.
Asian girl. Go.
I know she's done.
She
She's
did
done
that.
it
She was
quick.
doing
on
that.
her chin.
Look
Look
at-
at you look like a
On her
pig.
chin everywhere.
Oh,
I was hungry.
I'm hungry too. This didn't do nothing for me.
Same.
That clunk. Clunk.
Stick your head in there and get a good bite.
I just did.
Stick your head in there and get a good bite. Go ahead, Riley. Take. It's not spicy.
Eat it.
Riley's gonna take a big old bite in the camera.
Wait, with the fork?
Yeah.
Oh, I used my
Yeah,
yeah.
slurp it.
The slurp?
Get you some camera time.
You gotta be up in the camera though.
Get up in the camera.
How
Hop over. Jump.
How do I get?
I'm just looking at myself. Keep going.
Oh, hot.
Go.
Hot.
It's not hot.
You
Don't
know,
drop. Don't drop it all
Like
back in there because
it's
I gotta eat
temperature
it.
hot.
Temperature hot.
Yeah, I can't eat it. It's temperature hot.
My fork's all wet.
Look, I can become.
I like that. Yeah.
Oh my
Oh my god.
Hunter,
I'm not gonna do that.
Oh, why do I got so much more than you?
I know, but 2 spits have tainted it, so I refuse to touch it now.
My burp was clogged by noodle.
That was good. I want more.
You can have mine.
oh, can I have yours?
You
I
just
do-
said you wanted more.
Oh, I don't like these because they're dry and pasty. Here, do you want them? No, thank you.
They're probably not bad. No.
Wait, can I do one of that big slurp bite?
Like, it's not the flavor that
This
I
is
don't
good.
like. It's just
That's not
the
pasty.
texture. It like freaking melts in your mouth.
Try mine.
Okay.
That's nasty.
Ready?
I don't try new things.
Get it in there. I like how you're going all in with your bowl. All up close to your face.
I gotta get on the eggies. I put eggs in ramen.
I'm full.
We need to think of something
No,
to
it's
say.
freaking 5 slobbers.
There's not 5 slobbers, there's 2.
What are sloppers?
2 more. Ew, can no.
Open.
No, you open. I'll feed
You let me use your toothbrush last time I was here.
I gave you one and I never used it again because I had a backup.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. And I ended up buying a new one anyway. I bought an electric toothbrush. Electric toothbrushes work much better.
And kid you not, I just bought a new toothbrush a couple days ago.
I did. I don't know what day I got mine.
I did mine like last weekend, I think.
This is the
Last weekend when I went to
sound of
Walmart.
Silence. Dun,
This is
dun,
We bought toothbrushes around the same time, and we didn't even know we were both going to get new
I bought a
toothbrushes.
spin brush. Was your spin brush?
sound of
Mm-mm.
silence.
Mine was too hard. So I had to buy a soft one.
I looked at spin brushes, but then I remembered that the water gets inside of where the batteries go.
What? That's never
It
happened.
starts getting slimy. It's happened to me. So
What
that's
gets
why I
It's
did it.
slimy.
Inside of where the batteries go?
Mm.
Mine's only $5. I've never replaced
Yeah.
the batteries. I always just buy a new one.
Mom, I have a good slurp idea.
Time is
Can I
the
turn
key.
on my green?
Look at what my phone is. It's colorful. It's 9:58. These people made me do this.
I think this was the worst mukbang.
Wait.
Mukbang.
No, wait, it's about
Ever.
to get better.
Mukbang.
This ain't no ASMR shit. This is
Can't beat
mukbang.
them, join them.
Bye.
No.